Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by switching the lens to AF and picking AFS for stills or AFC for movement. This tells the camera how to track. Next, select a single AF point or a small cluster and place it on the eye or a high-contrast edge so the system has a clear target. Once done, stabilize the camera, use a tripod or brace, and set shutter speed to at least 1 over the focal length to avoid motion blur and secure accurate focus. Now refine how you focus. Set up back button AF so your thumb controls focus independently. This gives you faster recompose and consistent locks. If focus feels marginal, switch to live view or enable focus peaking to visually confirm sharpness. Live view uses contrast detection, which is precise for critical focus. Also, consider aperture. Opening wide gives shallow depth but faster focus acquisition, while stopping down increases tolerance. So choose based on subject motion and required sharpness. Finish by calibrating. Set up a flat-ruled target at your normal shooting distance and run AF fine-tune for each lens and focal length. That compensates for slight front or back focus. Once done, test shots across apertures to confirm consistent results and store adjustments in the camera. If you still miss focus, reset AF settings, clean lens contacts, and update firmware. And if problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to test another body or lens to isolate whether the issue is the lens or camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.